Hey guys, welcome back to Nerdy Tech Expert. Today's video is going to be very short but very useful. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can charge your older MacBook that supports Magsafe charging port using your power delivery or PD charger. So let's get into the video. Alright, so this is my MacBook Air. This is an older model, 2017 one, and it only supports Magsafe 2 as a charging port, and you cannot charge it anything else than Apple 45 watt charger or 65 watt charger. But with the help of this cable, you might be wondering what's so special about this cable. This cable has Magsafe port on one end and USB Type-C port at the other end. With the help of this cable, I'll put a link in the description below from where you can buy this. With the help of this cable, you can charge MacBook Air using any power delivery charger. Just keep in mind that the charger you are using to charge a MacBook Air should be at least 45 watt. It should support a 45 watt power output. I'm going to use this Baseus power brick. It's a 65 watt charger. So let's plug this in and see how well it goes. We are going to attach the Magsafe end to the MacBook and the Type-C end to the charger. And you can see right away it started charging with the help of Type-C charger that is basically used to charge your mobile phones, your earbuds and anything. So with the help of this cable and this charger, you can charge your MacBook Air that only supports a Magsafe port to charge it. So you can use any power delivery charger, and I've been using this for more than 2.5 months and I didn't face any type of issues. The battery retention is even better than what I get from the Apple charger itself. And just because these are new intelligent chargers with PPS means programmable power supply. So the charging speed is quite faster than the Apple 45 watt charger that came in the box of this MacBook Air. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.